Looking for home interiors? My pick Hooghly. They offer free consultation in 3D design and instant quotes. With 400 plus laminate.
Okay, good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon, guys. Okay, today topic is the embedded system, right? Embedded system means this is the definition. It is a combination of software and hardware by using some mechanical components through the simple task and specific task. Example, simple task LED blinking. LED blinking need software. Software means coding part, like program. Hardware part LED. Combination. Some mechanical components. We can use buzzer, motor, water pump. This is mechanical components. Combination of hardware plus software. This is embedded system. Okay, you understand? Now this is applications like manufacturing, domestic appliance, audio visual equipment, gaming console, medical device, car and vehicles, sensors. These are all the embedded system applications. Some example, manufacturing. Manufacturing means one manufacturer company is there, like one industry, like a packet, biscuit packet company is there, means we can using IR sensor. That counting purpose, we can 10 count means that time automatically will packing from the biscuits. We can use sensors. That is manufacturing. Domestic appliance, automatically light will on, automatically will off. We can control the sensors or device, mobile devices. Okay, audio visual, like gaming, we need C program, means we can only develop the gaming consoles. Same time medical device, medical devices we can use embedded system components like stethoscope. These are all the embedded components. Same time car and vehicles, we can use cable. On LAN cable means we can use full view of the vehicles, that structure, infrastructure. We can use CAN protocol. The protocol we can through the LAN cable we can use the view the vehicles. Okay, infrastructure. These are all the application. This is a structure, embedded system structure. One input device is there, one output device is there, one processor. Processor means storage device. You can use microcontroller or microprocessor. One input device means sensor. Okay, output device means actuator. Actuator means like LED, buzzer, water pump, DC motor, alarm. All are the components actuator. Okay, actuator means electrical signal convert to mechanical signal. Okay, input device sensor. We can any sensor we can use, like ultrasonic sensor, IR sensor, moisture sensor, LDR sensor. These are all the input device. Okay, storage device we can use microcontroller or microprocessor. This is types of embedded system based on the performance for the controllers. Real time, standalone, network, mobile. This is one type of the embedded system. This is one type of the based on the microcontroller types of embedded system. Small scale, medium scale, sophisticated. Okay, this is types. All students, the structure all are noted. Note down the structures. Everyone note the structures. Input device, processor, output device. The structure all are note down. Okay, this is microprocessor. Microprocessor means on IC. Everything is inbuilt. RAM, ROM, IO ports, peripherals, registers, timers, clocks. Everything is inbuilt. Okay. This is microprocessor. This is also other name is CPU to expand the storage purpose also. Now your mobile is processor only. You can 8 GB storage admins. It is possible. We can add the storage. Okay. This is microprocessor. But microcontroller means single chip, small IC. Everything is also inbuilt also, but storage purpose not possible. Expand purpose. 8 GB means 8 GB only possible. This is simple task only too. Like example, projector, AC, washing machine. Everything is one task only too. AC cooling purpose, washing machine, washing purpose, projector visible purpose we can use. Your mobile phone, same time study purpose we can use, same time gaming purpose also use, same time video purpose also use, multiple tasks. This is processor. Single task microcontroller. Okay, this is difference. Okay, you see the difference. This is single chip, everything CPU, RAM, ROM, IO ports and timer are all single chip. Here separate processor. Amount like storage purpose. Particular storage only there. Here expand. Large amount storage purpose we can use expand. This is single purpose. This is general purpose, multiple purpose. This is highly bit addressable means low cost only. This is expensive means high cost microprocessor. Okay, this is difference. Everyone note down the points difference. Guys, everyone note down this difference. All students are note down points. This is types of microcontroller: AVR, Atmega, PIC 8051, Arduino, STM32. Everyone types of the microcontroller. This is types. Okay. Your syllabus purpose coming 8051. Now we can see the one type of the microcontroller. Okay, like Arduino. This is Arduino introduction. This is easy to use hardware and software. We can use through the software, Arduino software. This is one type of the basic microcontroller. Here everything is given: input pins, output pins, voltage pin, ground pin, everything here given. Okay, this is USB port, this is power supply. Here reset button is there. Here pin, what is the pin? Analog pin, digital pin, ground pin, reset pin, power pin, everything is here given. This is one type of the microcontroller. Okay, we can use the Arduino software. This is specification. Everyone note down the specification: operating voltage, input voltage, digital input pins, analog input pins, DC current per input pins, flash memory, SRAM, WP-ROM, clock speed. Everyone note down the points. Specification. Fastly, everyone note down the points. Arduino specification. Everyone finish the points, right? You can next slide. This is IC, Arduino IC. Okay, inbuilt IC. Next, another type of the controller, node MCU, like ESP8266. Okay, this is pin diagram. GPIO pins, red color voltage pin, black color ground pins. Okay, this green color protocol pins. Okay, this is another type of the microcontroller. This is software, Arduino software. We can install the software, we can type the code and bug the microcontroller and show the outputs. This is easy to learn. Like this operating such as Windows, Mac OS and Linux. Okay, supports for the C and C++ language. Okay, this is Arduino software. We can open this page, means this page will come. Okay, this is serial port. Here file, edit, sketch, tools, help. This is options. Here give the file name. Okay, this is toolbar. This is text editing for the write the code purpose. Okay, This is here. This is tick mark verify option, arrow mark upload option. This is new file open option. This is open. This is save option. This is serial monitor. Show the printing values. This is coding text editor. Here output. The code upload purpose here will come. This is menu bar. Okay. Number C program. We can use the electronic device purpose. We can use this program for the key role. Okay, like day-to-day life, washing machine, mobile phone, camera, projector, AC. We can use the microcontroller inbuilt for the C program only. Okay, this is embedded C program. This is setup function. This is loop function. Here this is variable, global variable. This is local variable. Here loop inside we can use the variable means local variable. Loop main side we can use variable means global variable. Here this is if else condition statements. Okay, this code for the suppose I press the button means button will 0 come means that time LED will on, otherwise else LED will off. This code, this logic only, this code. Okay, this code everyone note down. This code everyone note down. Code like switch press means that time LED will on. That purpose code embedded C with Arduino software code. Everyone note down this code. I give the 5 minutes time. Everyone note the code and practically we will see LED blinking. Guys, finish this code. You don't note down the code. Say yes or no. This is LED. Okay, LED have 2 pins. Anode. This is cathode. Anode, big size anode, small size cathode. Okay. we can use the stars. The stars we will see, okay, in practical through the software. This is buzzer, same principle. Anode, cathode, buzzer. We can use produce the sound. This buzzer we can use. Interfacing buzzer with microcontroller. Sound alerting system. Actuator. I am already told. Okay, we can electric signal convert to mechanical signal. This is actuator. Switch. We can purpose like press means motor will on or light will on or buzzer will on. We can use the switch. Okay, this is input device. Sensor. Sensor we can some collect the real environmental purpose. We can use the input data. This is sensor. Detect the response through the environmental collecting for the input data is known as sensor. Okay. Types of sensor. Totally 3000 sensor is there. Some type of sensor here mentioned. Color sensor, gas sensor, LDR, proximity, temperature, ultrasonic, moisture, gyroscope, water flow, PIR, touch sensor, IR sensor, heartbeat sensor, rain sensor, temperature sensor, humidity sensor, light sensor, water flow sensor, smoke sensor. This is types of sensor. We can use the application of sensor: agriculture, manufacturing, automotive, industrial, environmental, medical. All purpose we can use sensor. Depends upon the application, we can use the different types of sensor. Okay, this is now we can see the IR sensor. Okay, what is IR sensor? IR sensor means we can detect the object detecting purpose. We can use IR sensor. This is IR sensor image. Here two LED is there. One LED IR emitter, white LED IR emitter, black LED IR receiver. This is threshold. We can adjust the distance purpose. IR sensor have 3 pins. One pin digital output pin, another one pin ground pin, another one pin power voltage pin 3.3 volt or 5 volt. This sensor another name is digital sensor also called. Okay, this is IR sensor. We can use for the object detecting purpose. This is working principle. One IR like white LED we can transmit the signal, black LED we can receive the signal. Like this is convert the detecting the object. This is the IR sensor principle. Okay, everyone note down this diagram, principle of IR sensor. Everyone note down the diagram. This is application. Okay, smart parking system. We can use IR sensor. Which slot we can free means automatically car will parking the slot. Okay, we can use the IR sensor. This is applications. Next, LDR sensor. LDR sensor means light dependent resistor. We can detecting the light intensity in environment. Daytime means the sensor will capture the light intensity. Nighttime automatically it will glow. We can use this sensor. Okay. This sensor also have 3 pins. One digital output pin, one pin ground pin, one pin VCC power supply. This is LDR, light dependent resistor. Okay. This is IC. This is potentiometer. Okay. This is working principle. Daytime we can capture the light intensity. Nighttime automatically it will glow the sensor. Okay. Light dependent resistor. Everyone understand, right? Here I am already told one node MC ESP8266. Here IR sensor will interface the diagram. This is output pin. We connect the pins or analog pin, digital pin. We can connect the pins. This is supply pin. We can mention the 3 volt and black. We can connect the ground. Okay. Next sensor, ultrasonic sensor. This is distance measurement purpose. We can use this sensor. Okay. Object distance measure this sensor. Okay. This sensor have 4 pins. VCC means power supply. One trigger pin is there. One echo pin is there. One ground pin is there. This is ultrasonic sensor pin configuration. Okay. Everyone understand, right? This is principle. Here one trigger echo. Trigger is a transmitter signal. Echo is the receive signal. Trigger to transmit the signal to the object to convert the receiver signal from the distance. Distance formula already know everyone. Distance equal to speed into time. That formula based work on this sensor. Okay. This is working principle. Everyone, this diagram will note down. This is working principle. Everyone note down the diagram. This is interfacing sensor. Two data pins we can connect the coding purpose, like D1 D2 means we can connect the D1 D2. VCC means power supply. This sensor work for the 5 volt only. Okay. Another ground to the ground. Okay. Another type of sensor, soil moisture sensor. This sensor to detect the wet and dry condition. Okay, inside the soil means put wet or dry. That purpose we can use this sensor. Okay, this is electrode. One electrode anode, another electrode cathode. Okay, two is there. Here this sensor we can use both analog, digital. Another 2 pin power supply pins, power supply ground pins. Okay, analog means floating values, random values. Digital means binary values, 0 and 1s. Okay, this is working principle. Wet and dry condition we can use this sensor. This is working principle. Here interface the soil moisture sensor. One pin to the connect the data pin, another 2 pins connect the power supply. One pin ground, one pin supply pins. This is application. Agriculture crop monitoring. We can use this sensor. Soil moisture sensor. This is fire sensor. We can use the fire, like detect the fires. Okay, we can use the industry. All fire we can detect the sensor. Okay, the sensor pin diagram. The sensor have 3 pins, one output pins, one ground pin, one digital pin. This is LED indicator, 2 LED is there. This is blue color potentiometer. Here resistor is there, capacitor also is there. This black color photodiode, another name photodiode. Okay, this is working principle. Detect the fires. This black LED. Range 760 nanometer to 1100 nanometer length. Okay, wavelength. This is interface with fire sensor. To ESP8266. Okay, output pin we connect the data pins, another power supply pins ground to ground, power supply to the power supply. Next we can see the gas sensor. Gas sensor to detect the specific gas, like some type of gases, like example LPG, nitrogen, oxygen, all type of gas sensor we can detect the gas sensor. One gas sensor detect the one type of the gas sensor. Model so many is there, M29, M2135, M27, M22, M29. So many gas sensor is there. One type of gas sensor, one gas will be detect the sensors. Okay. Gas sensor means 4 pin is there. VCC, ground, analog, digital. Here interface. Data pin through the data pin, another ground to ground, VCC to VCC. Real time examples. Air quality monitoring, we can use this gas sensor. This is next DGST11 sensor. DGST11 sensor we can use temperature sensor to calculate the environmental temperature. Okay. This sensor have 3 pins, one data pin, one ground pin, one power supply pins. Here interfacing diagram to the node MCU. This is Bluetooth. Bluetooth we can use the access to the wireless communication. This is 05. Here 6 pin is the state pin, key pin we can not using ground VCC, TX RX we can use for using purpose. Here interface to the ESP8266, TX to RX, RX to TX, ground to ground, VCC to VCC. Okay, this is RFID, radio frequency identification. We can use the scanning purpose. Okay, here 4 pin is the TX, RX, ground, VCC, UART protocol pins. This is interface diagram. How to interface the RFID. This is MQTT protocol. This is MQTT protocol, IoT platforms. This is cloud protocols. Okay, these are all the embedded system. Okay, now you see the practical sessions. Okay, like coding, how to write the code, how to upload the code, how to show the outputs. Okay, any doubt, guys? Theory session, theoretical part, any doubt? We can see the coding part. You can doubt ask means you can ask. 5 minutes I give the time. Any doubt means ask. Okay, now we can see the coding part. Okay, now I am opening the Arduino software. Here open the new file. Open the new file. Now type the LED blinking code. Now here declare the one LED and connect the to Arduino microcontroller. We can second pin and connect the LED. Here set the pin mode. This type of pin mode. LED is the output. Okay, sensor only input. Here mention LED output. Here blink. Here default function is the digital write. Digital write. LED comma I. Some delay I am given. I means on. Digital write. LED comma LED. Delay. Also. Okay. You can close bracket here, that close bracket. Loop means compulsory open bracket is there, close bracket is there. Okay, this is LED blinking code. LED. Here now I see the through the software how to blink the LED. Okay. And software is there, Pantech. Automatically they will sign in. Student purpose through their Google accounts. Okay. Here create option is there, right? Create option. Touch for the circuit options. Okay. Circuit options come here. Choose the Arduino board. Here Arduino board is there. On LED you can choose. You can make the resistor also. Okay. Here code option is there. Block test. Here delete for the code. Text option is there. Backspace. Now we can type the code. Otherwise we can copy paste. Here paste text. Okay. is LED core. Now to connect for the LED. Cathode for ground. Anode for the data pin. You can connect the second pin. Okay, now start simulation. Here see LED will blink, right? Now I am start the simulation. Change the delay. Now given the 500. Up and change. Okay, fastly blinking, right? This is LED blinking. You can understand. Everyone do this practicals. Open the Tinkercad. Login accounts. Everyone do the practicals. Okay, and chat the code and copy the code. You can paste it and you can do this task. Open the software simulation Tinkercad. Do this task. LED blinking. Everyone do. Everyone do this task and give the 5 minutes time. Open the Tinkercad software and choose the boards and show the code. You can type it and upload the start simulation means LED will blink on. Once check it all are everyone do this task. LED blinking. Open the Tinkercad software and choose the components and choose the text option. You type the code and start simulation. Everyone do fastly. open the Chrome, search the Tinkercad, log in, and circuit one option is there. That option, click on it, choose the components, and the code purpose text option is there. We can, that code I will share the screen. That code we can type the code and start compiler. LED blinking 1 second, all are, and give the 5 minutes time. Almost 5 minutes completed. Okay, you can do all are. Everyone do the task fastly. Anyone finish means acknowledge the message or screenshot, send me the chat box. Anyone finish the simulation part? Three minutes only that. I can move the another sensors. Okay. One sensor we can do. Anyone finish? Finish means put in the chat box message finished or not finished. Mention that. Finished or not? I need reply. Simulation for finish or not? can move the next topic. Okay, sensor interface the sensor. You can use the ultrasonic sensor. Okay, ultrasonic sensor have two pins. Trigger, connect the trigger, second pin. Echo one pin is there. Echo, third pin. The sensor calculate for the distance. You can distance declare here. Next void setup function is there, right? Trigger signal pulse we can transmit up. Suppose now this is output pin. Echo can use input pin. Okay. This is serial dot begin printing purpose. This is quadrant. Next void loop. Already output means we can use the digital write function. LED purpose output we can use the digital write. Here same digital write only. Signal will fastly come, then purpose they can blow automatically. Some delay given, delay microseconds. Okay. Given 10. Next high. High. Giving delay microsecond. Example 2. Again I will low. Same normal condition. Low purpose. I will come. 3, 1. Okay. Now I am taking one variable duration. Pulse in one inbuilt function is there. Receive pin echo only. Okay. Echo high. Now distance formula already now I am told. Distance equal to speed into time. Duration equal to time, speed, duration into time, time is duration, speed, formula, the sensor purpose, standard value is 0.034 divided by 2. Okay. I am taking one variable here. Initial variable long. Okay, this is ultrasonic sensor code. I am giving delay. Okay, 1000 millisecond. Okay, this is ultrasonic sensor. Now I am connect the here code one option is that here deleted code. Paste the code, ultrasonic sensor code. We can choose the ultrasonic sensor. Delete the LEDs and choose the ultrasonic sensor. Okay, this is not ultrasonic. HSR 05. You can search the HSR. HS ultrasound. Here the right. Here VCC to connect the ground. Okay, VN means 5 volt and ground to connect the ground. Trigger to the connect the second pin. Echo connect the third pin. Okay, now start simulation. Here object is there. Now I am adjust means distance will print the serial monitor. Now check the serial monitor. Here will print. Okay, I am not giving the serial print option. You can give the serial print. Distance will you can see here. Here serial dot print distance. Serial dot print lm distance. What variable we can store means that variable here print. Okay, now start simulation. Now check the serial monitor, print the distance. Okay, now 0 will come. Now adjust the here. Now change the distance. Okay, here check 7 centimeter, 1 centimeter. Now here check object. Here check means here change the object. Okay, 27, 22, 18, 13, 7. Okay, this is distance. Now I am giving the task. Okay, suppose distance 10 below come means that time LED will on. Which condition we can use? Everyone think that logic. Distance below 10 come means LED will on. I am already teaching for the LED ultrasonic sensor. Which logic we can use? Everyone thinking the logic. Just think the logic. Distance below 10 come in, that time LED will on. Which logic we can use? Everyone think the logic and told the chat box. Think the logic and put the chat box. Which logic we can use? Below 10 centimeter will come means LED will on. Which logic we can use? Everyone think the logic and put the chat box. I am giving 5 minutes time. Four minutes time. 1 minute almost completed. Remaining 4 minutes. Fastly thinking which logic we can use. Below 10 centimeter will come means automatically LED will on. Otherwise LED will off. Which logic we can use? Everyone think it. That logic. In moments put the chat box. Remaining 3 minutes there. Fastly think it. Which logic we can use? Distance below 10 centimeter will come means that time LED will on, otherwise LED will off. Which logic we can use? Nice, fastly. No one. Anusha K, Deshakti. Which logic we can use? Right or wrong? Put in the chat box. One minute that remaining 1 minute that fastly thinking. Okay. No, not. Okay, I will tell. If and else condition we can use. Okay, here. suppose if distance below what? Okay, below 10 means LED will on. Digital write function. LED comma write. Okay. Else LED, otherwise LED will off. LED will off. LED comma low. Close bracket, close bracket. Okay, this is distance below 10 means that time LED will on, otherwise LED will off. That logic only I am asking. Okay. No one told the answer. Okay, everyone note this code. Everyone note this code. I'm giving 5 minutes time. Everyone note down the code. Everyone note means finish, sir. Just reply. Everyone, the code note down. The distance 10 centimeter below come means that time LED will on. Here LED declare also. Okay. The LED code to pin. LED input or output here mentioned. LED comma output. Okay. Everyone note down the code. Fastly note down the code, everyone. I fastly note down the code. Guys, all are finished the code. Guys, any doubt? Theoretical and simulation part. Guys, any doubt? Theoretical and simulation part. Guys, I need reply. Any doubt? Theoretical and simulation. First of all are note down the code. No doubt means you can tell. Put it in the chat box. Theoretical and simulation. Any doubt means ask. Guys, any doubt? Anusha, Jai Shakti. Guys, any doubt? No doubt means you can leave it. Okay.